On October 29th and 30th, 2022, Human Energy hosted a generative workshop in the Soda Activity Center of St. Mary's College of California. The purpose? Esprit d'Accord, to develop the spirit of human energy as an organization by cultivating the fellowship, enthusiasm, and dedication needed for long-term success. The workshop enabled Human Energy's diverse team, scientists, philosophers, filmmakers, educators, and CEOs to meet in person and present their achievements in understanding the nature of the noosphere and in disseminating this crucial understanding to the public. Presentations ranged from formal scientific studies on the noosphere to projects for mapping the noosphere, for educating students at the high school and college levels, and for assessing the success of the story of the noosphere and the science of the noosphere video series. The workshop showcased the enthusiasm, curiosity, passion, and hope created by working together on human energy projects. Over the course of the weekend, participants engaged in dialogue through Q&A sessions and roundtable discussions, provided in-depth interviews, and connected over cocktail hour, dinner, and a trip to the local vineyard. Throughout the 2 days, conversations continued to probe human energy's central questions. What is the nature of the noosphere? How can the knowledge of the noosphere address the crucial challenges of our time? How can we effectively disseminate awareness of the noosphere? How can we present our principles to reestablish a shared planetary sense of meaning, purpose, and direction for humanity? The passion presented throughout the weekend made it clear that we are on our way to creating an organization that provides something special, something valuable, something rare. A welcoming space to address the reality of the noosphere and its potential for unifying humanity. The workshop realized its goal. A new kind of human energy was in the air, and our intellectual connections deepened through face-to-face meetings. Our time together awakened a spirit to enjoy and build upon as we move forward together.